True greatness demands sacrifice, relentless effort, and an unyielding commitment to purpose. Sir, your firm commitment and exemplary leadership in steering our country with your bold transformative agenda embodies this particular ideal with remarkable style and resolute courage. And for this, we thank you most profusely. And we pledge and promise our dedicated support in this transformation of our country.
I urge you to apply the knowledge and skills you have acquired in service to the people of Kenya, serve with diligence, integrity, and a steadfast commitment to the public good. As public officials, you hold positions of immense trust and responsibility. Citizens look to you not just to implement policy, but to uphold justice, fairness, and the rule of law in each and every aspect of your interaction.
There is no other place where people get better experience than serving as national government administration officers, because in one day you are in Elwak, the next day you are in Kibish, and then you are in Homa Bay. Then you go back to Taita Taveta. These people understand the country like the back of their hands, Your Excellency.
Further, I take this opportunity to recognize and thank all the civil and public servants across the country for their dedicated spirit and commitment to implementing your administration programs anchored in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and the Vision 2030.
In recognition of your outstanding performance, on behalf of the Kenya School of Government and on my own behalf, I present you with the Kenya School of Government Medal. Congratulations.
I will now proceed to charge the graduates, the 802 graduates.